Abby, where are we? Where are we? We're at the party.
The party. It's Daddy's birthday.
Whose birthday today?
Daddy.
Daddy's birthday.
Where's the gift? Where's the gift?
Papa's getting it. Okay?
Papa, forgot the crayons. Can you color the paper? Can you color the paper? Can you color the
Spirit. Amen. Dear God, thank you for the love and joy Daddy Bob brings to our family and to me. Please bless him with happiness, health, and many more birthdays to celebrate. Help me to make him more proud of me as I grow. Bless all the people present tonight and everyone that we know. Amen.
Corporate world. So, Sir Bong is really a remarkable person, compassionate. Now, next letter. A. He's adorable. So, I just want to share with you, sa office kasi, whenever, yan yung nangyayari ngayon. Whenever he is laughing, he's so adorable kasi, like, pag may table ka, ganun-ganun siya, and then mamumula, and then, like, matatawa ka talaga sa facial expressions niya. So, Sir Bong is really adorable. And letter E, he is very enthusiastic in everything that he does. He's very goal-driven and he is very passionate at work. Okay, letter S. So, he is very sweet. So, every time si Sir Bong pupunta sa ibang bansa or like pupunta Iloilo or Bacolod, he always brings us pasalubong sa office. So, thank you, Sir Bong, for being so thoughtful and generous to us. Sweet. Now, next letter. A. He is very authentic. So when it comes to his style, like tatakbong austero, and he's very straightforward, and yes, he's very authentic as he is. Next, so to sum it all up, Cesar is a remarkable person inside and out. Okay, next naman, we have austero.
Austero.
Yes.
Asan si Sir Bong? Sir Bong, sabi ko, payback time. Ilang medals po ulit ang nakuha ni Sir Bong? 7. Pero what I love about this man, he brings out really the best in people. So, gusto niya, achievers din yung iba. Okay? To continue, di lang siya achiever, meron tayong unusual. Kakaiba siyang nilalang. Do you agree? Kakaiba ang ideas niya.
Fiona, paki-explain nga yan.
Yung unusual.
Oo, para alam ng audience natin.
Kakaiba po siyang nilalang. Yung ideas po niya would really make you think before you share your thoughts with him. Talaga po ang ideas niya, it brings out the creative juices from individuals talaga po. Ganun siya ka. Senior na po siya. Yes. At dahil dyan, T, trailblazer. He would really like to start something, no? Not just for the family, but for people at work. Okay, ganyan si Sir Bong. At pag sa pagpapatuloy, letter E, dadagdagan ko ulit, elderly. Sana po makainit ko na ako mamaya, no? Sa pangalawang pagkakataon, chance ko to. At dahil dyan, meron pa po, letter R. Ano yung letter R? Revolutionary. No? Unusual, trailblazer, would really start something na kaboom. gusto niya stand out. Pag may convention kami, kailangan gano'n. And finally, old po sana ilalagay ko, pero baka sumagan. So, nalagay ko na lang po, our lover. Alam po natin yan lahat, no? So, I'm really very grateful that I was really invited to be part of this occasion for Sir Paul. So, ayan, buuin na natin ang pangalan. We have Schubert Cesar Ostero.
Stevie, what's your message for that?
Thank you for all the inspiration.